Hello for everyone. Today I will explain how to use this add-on import vector PDF because sometimes we need a vector layout to model something in Blender, but we don't have by default this possibility. So I used one of the libraries of the Blender that it have by default, and I will explain you how to install this add-on now. So let me first explain you that you need to download this add-on, this zip file. And let's go to Edit Preferences and go to Extensions. And let's install this add-on, import PDF zip that you bought on our website, BlendKit. So let's install it. And we can see now that we installed two extensions. First one is by default Blender DXF extension, import cut DXF. We will use it because Blender don't have PDF, but it can read DXF file format. But my script, the second one, PDF to DXF importer, will convert automatically in background uh, simple PDF file that we need to open. For example, I have this plans the PDF. So after that, we will open it and the script will automatically convert it into the DXF file format that Blender understand and import very well. So, but before we need to go in add-ons and also download one file that we need, automatic converter exe file from my GitHub. So you also need to press here to download it and wait a little bit. This way it will download it into your folder where we have Blender, for example, Blender Foundation, Blender, and 5.2. And let's go to user default, and you can see that we have new folder, import PDF, and now it's downloading this converter here, and it will automatically extract here. So let me wait a little bit. Okay, so as I said, we should have converter here. You can use this converter also without Blender. For example, you want to convert your PDF file to DXF file format. You can do this also here. Just adjust some PDF files and convert them. But Blender will use this file automatically in the background. So, okay, now this add-on is configured correctly, properly, so we can save preference and just go to our folder where we have our PDF file, for example, plans. I will use this one and we will import it. Let's go to File, Import, and we should have here new options to import PDF file. Let me search. Yeah, here we have via PDF select, so let's select this one and go to our folder where it is here. So let me open it. Plans PDF. So now our script are converting this plans PDF to DXF file format automatically, as you see, and we'll open it in Blender like a vector layout. So you can see it very clearly that now we have it like a layout. We can use it to model our geometry and snap it, and it's better than, for example, make screenshot or something like this. Only we need to set the scale and position of our drawing, but as you understand, Blender can import it via DXF file format. So just use this add-on and you will be able to import PDF file. Thank you for attention and for your time. Bye bye.